Hey guys, this is Don and Kathy Sutphin, Silver Consultants with Evolution Travel. I wanted to give you a little rundown of why you should consider becoming an Evolution Travel agent. Travel. Did you know that the travel industry is an $8 trillion business? That's right, 8 trillion. They project within the next 10 years for it to be a $15 trillion business. Now, do you know what that means? That means that everybody travels, everybody, including you. So why not get a piece of it? Evolution Travel pays 80% commission, which is the highest in the industry. We also have a profit sharing pool. We have access to over 133 different suppliers: Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, Funjet Vacations, Apple Vacations, Sheridan, Princess Cruise Lines, Disney. Oh, Disney, guys, if you do the Disney online course, which is free, you are going to get perks and benefits, ticket to Disney World. If you do Hershey Park, Busch Gardens, any of the theme parks, do their online courses, you're going to get some perks and benefits. And you have also an opportunity to earn a cruise. Now, how do you do this? Princess and Carnival, when you complete their online course, you're going to get a cruise anywhere in the world, naturally providing the cruise goes where you want to go. And all you have to pay are port taxes and taxes. Now, an example, Kathy and I have got 2 free cruises on Princess. We're Commodores. We are going to Alaska this year and to the Mediterranean. And all we pay are port taxes and taxes, which can be $150 to $250. That's all. Now, you can do a 7-day cruise, you can do a 10-day cruise, or you can do a 15-day cruise. It doesn't matter. All you pay are port taxes and taxes just by doing the online course. Now let's talk about some perks and benefits. Kathy and I, we flew to Aruba last year. We got our transfers free, and transfers is your transportation from the from the airport to the hotel. And generally it runs $25 to $35 per person one way. We got our transfers round trip free. We got a 2-hour sunset cruise with alcohol if you drink, and snacks, free. We got all of our excursions 50% off. We got a 4-hour Jeep ride over to the rough side of Aruba. When I mean by rough side, the terrain was absolutely amazingly rough. And our driver did not do 5 miles an hour. It was the best Jeep ride I have ever had. We got it at 50% off. Per person was $125. We got it for the 2 of us, $125. Our discount directory in the back office. You have got, when you sign up, you have got so many discounts. All you do is type in your zip code. Fast food restaurants, Harbor Freight is an example, 20% off. Buy 1 Subway, get 1 free. There is several discounts in the directory where you can save a lot of money. Tax deductions, guys, you get over 300 different tax deductions for being a travel agent. Get with your tax preparer, let them know that you are a travel agent from your home. You can claim some of your house, claim some of your vehicle, keep track of all your receipts. We're going to talk about that later. We are publicly traded. We are the only travel agency that is on the stock market. That shows credibility. Our host agency, 65 years old. They're in who's who in travel. Hundreds of millions of dollars of travel. They are A+ rated on the Better Business Bureau. Guys, that shows credibility. Okay, training. All of our training is free and online. When you sign up, go to our back office. You have all the training you need. We have webinars that we do from our home office. And we're going to talk about that a little bit later too. Let me ask you a question. When's the last time you took a vacation, 2 of you? Let's say you took a Carnival cruise. You went for 7 days. What did you get from Carnival besides vacation? You got a receipt and a thank you. If you go ahead and sign up, you're going to get paid to take vacation. Now let me explain that. A Carnival cruise for 2 people, 7 days, you're going to cost you about $3,000. Your commission is going to be about $300, $350. That's it. You're going to get paid commission to go on vacation. How awesome is that? Next, also, the other question I get asked a lot, are there any quotas? There are no quotas and there is no recruiting. Now, how do I sign up? Get with the person who sponsored you. They'll show you, I'll send you a link. Sign up. You want to come on up with a name because you're going to get a website. Once you sign up, you're going to get an email back directing you over to our home office. You're going to take 13 short quizzes, which are ridiculously easy. Once you pass them, you're going to get your certificate and you are a travel agent. Now, the other question I get asked a lot, I think I want to get started, but I have some questions. All right, so let's cover some of those questions. How much travel do I have to sell before I'm able to benefit from the discounts and savings? Guys, once you sign up, get your certificate, you are a travel agent. You can start immediately with your benefits, your discounts, and your savings. Is this one of those pyramid things? Absolutely not. We are publicly traded. We are not a pyramid. We are not dependent on signing people up. What we do is we sell travel. That's it. Sell travel, share the opportunity with others. That's it. Can I use the benefits for me and my family? Absolutely. Kathy and I got started around 2 years ago. When we saw the opportunity, we jumped on it. At that time, it was $99. We travel. The benefits and the perks that we got far outweighed any cost. And then people started asking us to book them travel. So yes, you can just do it for yourselves and your family. Can I buy stock in a company? Guys, I strongly encourage it. Our stock is sits, look it up, and buy. How do you make money? Well, when you go ahead and book a cruise, we'll say a cruise as an example. Book a cruise. Once the cruise is paid for, and keep in mind, you can make payments with us. With Evolution Travel, yes, you can make payments. The cruise line, there again, we're going to say Carnival, they're going to send on over the commission over to Archer Travel. We are going to get 80%. The agent is going to get 80% commission. Like I said before, that is the highest in the industry. Now, if you sponsor somebody else and they book travel, they're going to get the commission and you are going to get 10% to the sponsoring agent. So that's a win-win-win for everybody. We'll talk about that in a minute. Next question I get asked a lot, is there a monthly fee? Yes, there is. There is a $69 monthly fee that comes out 30 days after you signed up. So let's just kind of break this down for a second. You saw the video, you want to sign up, go ahead and sign up. It's going to cost you $30 to sign up. The $69 will not come out for a whole month, 30 days. But I suggest when you sign up, go to the back office, make sure this is for you. If you decide this is not for you, send me an email in about 25 days or so, or sooner, that this is not for you. I will send you a link because I cannot cancel you. I'll send you a link, and all you got to do is fill it out, and it says, why do you want to leave? This is not for me. All you got to put that in your ID number and your name. Send it in, and you will not be charged the $69. They'll cancel it. Now, why does it cost $69 a month? Guys, you are running a business, and with the business comes expenses. You're getting a website, accounting services, use of the IATA number, which is a major thing when it comes to a travel agent. You're getting 80% commission. You're getting the marketing, customer service. You can call up to our home office, get training up there if you need. $69 is really nothing to run a business. Now, let's break this down for a minute. $2.33 a day. Probably a cup of coffee runs about $2.33 a day, give or take. And keep in mind, it does not come out until after 1 month. Now, let me explain the $69, how you can have a free business. Yes, no more $69. All right, remember we mentioned that there is no recruiting, which is true. There is no recruiting at all. But you sign up, You get your certificate. You start doing some vacations. Cruises there again, we'll go back to the cruises. You're starting to get some perks and benefits. You're traveling the world from your computer and you're having a grand old time. You're loving being a travel agent. And you say this to your friends. They say, hey, you know what? Can I do that too? Sure. You get them to sign up. So if you get 3 people to sign up, you're going to be put in our residual profit pool, okay, as an executive consultant. Once you're in that 3 people, 50 to 75% of that $69 is going to be taken care of by the residual profit pool you're in. Now, let's just say you get 6 people, which will put you in the bronze. That will cover 100% of your $69, giving you a free business. Now, let's get a little excited now. If you put on 9 people, become a silver consultant, which really is not that difficult to do, not only do you have a free business, not only the $69 is gone, but you're going to put about $100 to $150 in your checking account every single month. How exciting is that? Just by having 9 people. Now, you can go higher to our gold, which you're making a lot more money. You can go to our platinum. You're making an enormous amount of money. But let's just stay to the silver. Let's get you to a silver, and we'll go further later on. Now, do you have training in person? I am a hands-on person. Yes, we do. We do training from our house. We do training online. We do trainings from our back office. You'll never run out of training. Our CEO, Ron Archer, does trainings once a week. Our national training person, Jose Lambert, he does trainings once a week. You can call him, get individual tutoring. You can talk to him and get tutoring for your group if you need be. So you'll never run out of training. Then the next question I get asked is, how do we get paid? Guys, you get paid up to 3 times a month. And let me explain. After the 15th of, first Friday after the 15th of the month, you're going to get your residual check. All right, we talked about that. You're going to get put on a pay card. Then you're going to get paid for travel commissions at least twice a month, every other week. So let's break it down. You're going to get your residual by having 9 people. Now, by having 9 people, let's say 7 of those people book a 7-day cruise. Your commission is going to be about $350, we'll say. Now, the sponsoring person who sponsored these people is going to get a commission check for about $35 times 7. You're making some money. The third way is the commission that you make for booking your own travel and for booking other clients' travel. So you've got 3 streams of income coming in. You can make some serious money, guys. Serious money. Now, the next question I have is, how do I qualify for other home-based business tax deductions? Guys, all you got to do is run a business like a business. Get with your tax preparer. Keep track of all your receipts and all your businesses. Your house, portions of your house is tax deductible. Portions of your vehicle are tax deductible. Like I said, just go ahead and get with your tax preparer, and let them know that you are a travel agent from your home. Can I do this part-time and keep my job? Absolutely. I tell all of my agents, don't run out and quit your job. I want you to do this part-time. Make sure you get comfortable with it. Make sure you're making travel. Make sure you're making some money. Then later on, if you decide what you need to do, go ahead and do it. But keep with it. And best part is, anybody can do this. If you're retired, stay at home, mom and dad, disabled, don't have a job, it really doesn't matter the reason why. Anybody can do this. If you're willing to learn and you're coachable, the sky's the limit for you with travel. So with that being said, here's my contact information. If you would please like our Facebook page, Don and Kathy's Travel Shack. It's a great travel page. And if you look underneath the logo, you see the registration numbers? You do not need to get a license to sell travel. We take care of that for you. So for some of you who've had your own business, you know that licensing is very expensive. We take care of it for you. So with that being said, I'm going to sign off. I hope to hear from you soon. Let me get some more information to you. If I don't see you at the bank, I will definitely see you at the beach. Take care and have a great day. Thank you.